Good afternoon. We are in beautiful Litchfield Park in Arizona, super close to Luke Air Force Base. Super nice property, great location. So this home right here hits the market this weekend. I'll be doing an open house. Super excited to show you this amazing home. It's a 2-story, lots of upgrades, including soft water, tiled flooring throughout the first floor, gorgeous updated kitchen. I'll zoom on in. All right, welcome in. So let's check out these floors. So that is all tile, which look how they laid it out. This is super beautiful. Has a little bit of drama. All right, as you walk in the front door, you hit a den right here on the first floor. Super private, great space. If you need an extra bedroom or a bedroom on the first floor, this would be a great option. Be a good room if you have children that are homeschooled. Also a good playroom. All the things. Anything you could need an extra room for, it's a great space. Next, we'll move into this little nook over here. So I've seen this set up different ways. You could probably do a really nice formal dining room right here. It's pretty open and spacious, as you can see. You could do a library, lots of things. Right here, we're gonna head over to this side of the grand entry and family room. So you kind of have double living spaces right here, which is pretty nice. And as you walk in to the kitchen, it is also laid out pretty spacious. We have quartz countertops in the kitchen, stainless steel appliances, gorgeous gray cabinets. I kind of love a gray kitchen. There are tons of storage drawers. So for me, I love a good storage drawer. You do have a pantry. Homeowners were nice enough to leave the original book when this home was built. It was built by Trend Homes, so you have the original details about the property right there, which is pretty unique. The color palettes are all wonderful. Everything matches and flows together pretty good. Have a gorgeous staircase. Lots of storage. This place has a lot of storage, closets. Garage is a great space. You do have a half bath right here. And again, if you need another shower, boom, baby. You got space right here. Turn this maybe into a full bathroom if needed. You do have space, or make this really cute. Put a little furniture piece there. Whatever you're needing, whatever you think would work for you and your needs. Again, storage closet. Look at this one. This is super cute. It's a little bottom one. I'd probably have a contractor cut that door in half, make it more of a gate, and have a little doggy bedroom. So we're gonna head out to the backyard. Check this out. So again, we are in Litchfield Park, Arizona. So it's a great location. We're next to Goodyear, surprise, west side of Phoenix. This is your backyard, so you are a corner lot, which is great. And you do have a pad back here, so you could set this up with a little area if you wanted to, with a table and chairs. And you have this beautiful backyard. They have turf back here, plants. It's pretty nice, low maintenance, move-in ready. Lots of privacy on this home, which is wonderful. And you have this side right here. You do have a standard gate there. We'll zoom that on in. So that's something, we have what's called an HOA out here. So an HOA, whenever you want to touch the outside of the home, the front of the home typically, not so much the back unless you can see over the fence. But with an HOA, you'd want to ask permission, but something like this where you have this great wide space, you could possibly see if you could throw an RV gate down there. Just give you a little bit more access to out there. All right, so let's head back in, and we do have this wonderful larger slider. Leads right into this gorgeous kitchen. And now we are going to head upstairs. So yeah, if you're looking for a home or have a family member that's looking to be near, let's say, Luke Air Force Base, you're minutes to Luke Air Force Base. So a lot of our military that move out here would like to live in Litchfield Park just because it's pretty close to everything that's important to them. And you have this deluxe staircase, which leads all the way up, opening up to a wonderful loft area. So the unique thing about this property is it has multiple balconies. For instance, right here, this little balcony is off the loft. It's cute, super quaint. The homes in this neighborhood all have interesting little balconies and trees and different features that don't make it so cookie cutter, I guess you would say. And that's your view down below. And we're gonna come this way to one of the secondary bedrooms. So up here we have 3 bedrooms plus the master. And this bedroom right here is quite large with a walk-in closet. So again, they did not spare any space when it comes to the closet space, which is awesome. And in here, and this is the primary master bedroom. And are you ready for this, guys? Boom, with an ensuite. So this is super unique. Look at how tall these ceilings are. So this bedroom right here has this little secret space. So you could set this up as a nursery or an office or fitness area, an at-home bar, a little private she cave or he cave, oh, man cave. So yeah, it's super cute, super nice to have that extra space. And we head in here into the master bedroom. You have double sinks. And another walk-in closet. So again, lots of storage in this one, lots of space. Got some great views out here. And we are gonna try to show you how large this primary room is. So you have the primary here. One immediate bedroom to your left when leaving, this great loft space. And then we keep moving and we have a full laundry room, which is wonderful. And again, that tile is all in there. And we're gonna move down the hall to a beautiful full bathroom. Sorry, I have to shut the toilet seats, guys. It's a little pet peeve. But look at this shower and tub combo. It's gorgeous. They did all the tile all the way up. Beautiful, beautiful. And now we head into one of the other bedrooms. Again, another great size room. And are you ready for this? This one also has its own balcony. Let's check this view out over here. So super cute. So 2 balconies upstairs, a loft, 3 bedrooms with a master bedroom and a laundry room all up on the 2nd floor. And a full bathroom. 2 bathrooms. It's gonna come in here. And again, I believe this is another amazing closet. Are you ready? Ba-doop. Walk-in closet. So yes, for anyone out there that understands the pain of not having enough closet space, when you see walk-in closets in the secondary bedrooms, it's always a comforting feeling to know you're gonna have space to put things away. So wonderful home. We have carpet in all the bedrooms, laminate flooring on the stairs, and tile in bathrooms and on the main floor. This is a great home. If you're looking to purchase a home in Surprise under $500,000, this could be a great option for you. Again, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, den, loft, full open floor plan. If this is a home you want more info on, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button, comment below, send me a direct message. I would love to help you with your Arizona real estate needs. Have an awesome day.